fun, 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 fun. But the most wonderful thing about tickets is I'm the only one. The wonderful thing about tickets is tickets are wonderful chaps. They're loaded with them and with vigor. They love to leap in your laps. The jumpy, bumpy, clumpy, thumpy, fun, 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 fun.
Anakin Skywalker, you get your ass in here right now. Come on. Anakin. Anakin. Hey. Come inside. Anakin. Oh my god. Oh yeah.
June, do you want to go on a walk? June, you want to go on a walk? Okay, go get Dad. Go get Dad. Where's Dad? We gotta get Dad.
Walk? You wanna go on a walk? You wanna go walk? Walk! Walk! Come here! Come here!
We could do without that.
When you're spending every day on your own, and here it goes. I'm just a kid, and life is a nightmare.
I should warn you of the monster known as Vacuum. It can eat and yell at the same time. And I've seen it eat everything. Seriously, like a paperclip and 2 cat toys. Didn't even flinch. To hide from Vacuum, you may use the curtains of invisibility.